At Modern Fittings, we transform your home or business spaces into your realist and creative imagination. At Modern Fittings, we specialise in all kinds of woodwork designs. We do modern floating TV stands, rhino ceiling boards, fitted kitchen cupboards, shop fittings and shelving solutions, and many more.
Hi there, my name is Sam from Modern Fittings. We collect inspiring ideas for modern home improvement. Subscribe and follow this channel for more. To get any assistance for your home design projects, message our WhatsApp using the number on the screen. Only on WhatsApp City Virtual Concierge, the place where technology meets personal touch.